Today I'm going to make rice pudding. Now to start with, I've got my rice here. I'd say around about 4 ounces of rice. They call it pudding rice or short grain rice. Then next one we want is some sugar, so I've got 4 tablespoons of sort of white sugar. 2 pints of milk. I'm using sort of full fat milk there, so we just pour all this in like so. That's all in there. Then we just add a little bit of butter, just put it in different places really, so pop that in. This really helps to give it a skin. So what I'm going to do now is just put it in the oven, 160 degrees centigrade, which I think is about 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And what we're going to do is first of all cook it for half an hour and bring it out again, but the total length of cooking is going to be 2 hours. Little while, but it's worth it. I've just pulled this one out of the oven. It's been cooking for about half an hour. Now it's a good time, just give it a good stir up, and then what we're going to do is just add some nutmeg to this. It's smelling good already actually. Nice. Let me just add some nutmeg on top of there. And then what we're going to do is put it in the oven for another half an hour. I've just taken the rice, put it out of the oven, and you can see there's a really nice skin starting to form there as well anyway. But what we want to do is just mix this all up. This is the last time we're going to mix it now, and then what we're going to do is put it back in the oven for the last hour. And what I'm going to do is just lift some of this out. Now obviously not everybody likes the skin, and I can understand that, but if you do like it, then you've got a nice skin on this one. If you don't, just leave the skin behind. If you prefer to cook your rice pudding in 30 minutes, I've got another recipe on YouTube, so have a look at my other recipes. Thanks for watching.